Settling down, my text go, you scream, you know better than that. I come around when you least expect me. I'm sitting at the bar when your glass is empty. You thinking that the song's coming on to tempt me. I need to be alone like the way you left me. You start calling.
Everyone, Hazuki here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some exciting news for all the NBA 2K fans out there. We're taking a leap from NBA 2K20 all the way to NBA 2K24, and guess what? It's V98 only. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the 2K24 updated roster. This new version comes with a ton of updates. No online password. Yes, you heard it right. It's fully offline. New sign and trade. As of now, we have new sign and trade updates. More roster, including an all-star roster. More free MC. Now you can edit your favorite NBA player. Accurate jersey, accessories, different shoes. We've got you covered with the latest and most accurate accessories. Fixes. We've fixed jersey numbers, substitutions, rebounds, and more. Wondering how to download and install? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Check my pinned comment or the description below for the download link. For the installation process, it's the same as my previous video. If you haven't seen that yet, go check it out. Remember, always turn off your internet before opening the game. Now, let's get into the gameplay. Before we proceed, a huge shout out to JM Gamer YT, the mod author. You've done an amazing job. This update has been tested and is working on the following devices: Poco X3, Pro Android 13, Poco F4 Android 13, Redmi 10C Android 13, Infinix Smart 8 Android 13, Realme 10 Pro Android 13, Redmi Note 10's Android 13, Redmi Note 10 Pro Android 13, Tecno 20 Pro Android 13, Tecno Pova 4 Android 12, Etel S23 Android 12, LG V50 Android 11. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this update and subscribe for more NBA 2K content. Until next time, this is Hazuki signing off.
Hey guys, new season of Go-Card Collection is coming. Tongits Go, listen closely to the players' feedback. Collecting cards will be easier this time. It's a great chance to get a free Father's Day gift from the game. Please note, each new gold card is your ticket to the Go Stars spin. You can win up to 100 Go Stars. 100 Go Stars equal to 100 loads, and then loads can be topped up with ML Diamonds. Last season, I spun 100 Go Stars and immediately purchased my dream MLBB skin. But that's not all. In this season, Tongits Go also is introducing Go card ranking activities. A whopping 25,000 Go Stars are up for grab in Go Card Collection. The more Go cards and the faster you collect them, the higher your ranking. Here's what's up for grabs for the top 3 ranks. Number 1 can get 3.89k Go Stars. Number 2 can get 2.89k Go Stars. Number 3 can get 1.89k Go Stars. I can already picture my fans eagerly swapping these Go cards for more skins and cell phones as Father's Day gifts. If you're ready to join the excitement of Go Card Collection, simply click the download link in my description or the top comment to download Tongits Go now. Trust me, endless excitement and rewards await you.
Dadating na ang bagong theme ng Go Card Collection. 12 na magkakaibang card sets na pwede kang manalo ng 1.2 million golds at 25k golds ang nag-aantay sa'yo sa ranking. Kaya ano pang inaantay mo? Go! Kunin mo na sila!